my lovely family, I hope all of you are doing well. It's your girl Pelle. On today's kitchen, I'm going to prepare oilless okra soup. So get seated, enjoy me, and let's cook. Okay, let's get started. But before that, let's see our ingredients. I'm using turkey wings, cow skin, shrimps, red fish, and then crabs. And this is my okra, my frozen cocoyam leaves. I'm not using the fresh one. My 1 tomatoes is optional if you like it. If you don't like it, don't add it. And then my 1.5 onions, a pepper or Scotch pepper, salted fish, garlic, ginger, and then salted to taste. The spices for the fish, and then these are the spices that I'm going to use, the natural spices and then the chicken spice. So let's get started. So let's start by adding our meat. Putting my meat inside. Okay. Add my natural spices. Cutting half onion. Adding my half chopped onions. The rest I'm going to blend it, then put it inside. Then my spices. My 1 tomatoes together with my ginger, then garlic. Then my half Scottish pepper is very hot. That's why I'm using half. I don't like too much pepper. To season it. That's your half onion, I'm going to blend it. Add a little bit of water to it. I'm pouring everything inside. Of water to raise it. Slide my blender. Meat on fire. Very simple and quick. Add a little bit. I've put my meat on fire. I'm seasoning it for about 25 minutes. So before that, I'm adding my fish spices to my fish. Sprinkling a little bit of it. Just a little bit. And then use my hand to mix it. Then put it aside. Then grate my okra. I'm going to grate some and then cut some too. Let's start grating our okra. Nice. I'm tracking my meat. Adding my crabs, then my fish together. have diabetes, I recommend this soup for you to let it go down. Very good. Guys, see my okra. I've grated some, I've cut some, and then blended 1, 2. So I'm pouring everything inside my bowl. Hey, come here. Going to boil it. Add your salted fish to it, and cut half of onion too. Then use it to boil it. After 5 minutes on fire, I'm going to add my spinaci or cocoyam leaf. So that is it. Going to put it on fire. After 5 minutes, then I add it to my okra. If you have the fresh ones, you can use it. I don't have the fresh one right now, that's why I'm using the frozen one. Right, let's check our okra. Just stir it. Beat it like this. Right now I'm adding my spinach or cocoyam leaf to it. Guys, that's my corn dough. I'm coming to mix it right now with potato starch, just a little bit, because I don't have the cassava dough. That's why I'm using the potatoes. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Then add my water to mix it. I want it very soft. Going to be ready very soon. Just about 30 to 45 minutes, then everything is ready for you to enjoy it. Okra is ready. Okra and spinach or cocoyam leaf. Pour it inside. The soup is almost ready. Green okra soup. Because of the fish, you have to stir it very gently. My banku is getting ready. I'm going to add a little bit of water because I want it to be very soft. Very soft. Oh, hot afternoon banku. Let me add a little bit of water to it. My oilless okra soup and banku is ready. Just look at it. It tastes good. So I'm going to enjoy it. Don't forget to try it, because it really tastes good. If today is the first time of watching this video or this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Your comment is very important for us, very important for me. for me. Voila. Just come and enjoy. Oh, you're invited. Come and eat. Very delicious. Please try it for your girl. See you.